guys are being safe and staying home during all this quarantine stuff. Watching the James Charles Instant Influencer, I've been really keen on playing with makeup again. So I figured, why not do all of the challenges that the contestants are doing myself? And that's exactly what I will be doing. So the first challenge, the first episode, is them promoting a product of their choosing. So I figured I would choose the product that I use most in my entire collection. And it was hard because my collection is huge. I'm looking at it right now and it's just, there's a lot. So I figured my product that I would be promoting is my Very Dirty James Charles palette. And just because I use this every day and it's so colorful and beautiful and more people should use it. My plan is to show you two looks, one look being an everyday kind of thing, and then the second look being a fun, bright color kind of thing. The contestants, I think, had 30 seconds to promote that product, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So first of all, let's go ahead and put my base on and get started. Okay, so the base is on. I did a simple look, just easy contouring, easy blush, nothing too crazy foundation-wise. I just wanted it to be matte and set and ready to go for some easygoing eyes because that's our focus today. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing a simple eye look with the palette and a fun, bright, colorful eye look with the James Charles palette. So let's go ahead and get started. 30 seconds. Can I do this? I can do this. 30 seconds, starting now. Hey guys, it's your girl Xandra here. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do two looks from the James Charles palette. A fun everyday look and a fun colorful look. Let's keep on watching. For our everyday look, we're going to be using 5 colors. This first color right here is a soft brown. That's going to be our first transition color that we're going to be applying on the lid. Next, we're going to dip onto this pumpkin color here, just to give us some more depth in the eye. Next, we're going to be applying this nice coffee brown. It's going to give us that dramatic look that we're looking for. Next, we're going to accent that with a touch of dark brown, mostly on the outer eye, so it has that effect of a bigger, brighter eye. Then we're going to use this black as an eyeliner and putting it really close to where our eyelashes are. And in a snap, there you go, a fun everyday look with the James Charles palette. Now who's ready to play with some color? The first color that we're gonna dip into is this fiery reddish orange color. We're gonna put this everywhere on top of our lid and really bring it out to elongate the eye. Next is this really awesome hot pink color. We're gonna put it right on top of that orangey red and really show your blending skills with how it transitions from red to a hot pink. Next, we're gonna have some fun with a really bright yellow. We're gonna put it right in the middle of our eyelid. And lastly, we're gonna put on this last shade of a sparkly purple. We're gonna put this right before our red and our pink. Who doesn't like a little sparkle, right? And there you go. Here is look 2 complete. I absolutely love how pigmented these shades are. They're so bright and fun. 2 simple looks with the James Charles palette. Get yours today and unleash your inner artist. See you later, guys. Okay, how was that? Was that good? Did I snap? Me editing, did I snap? Well, that is it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys next Wednesday with another Instant Influencer challenge, and I believe it's the drag look transformation, so wish me luck on that. I've never done that before. It will be quite a fun video to watch, especially if you like watching people struggle. That is is the video for you. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Remember, have courage and be kind. Bye guys.